Hi guys, I'm back with another jewelry making video. This time I want to make some Valentine's inspired quick and easy wire wrapped jewelry. So let's get started. I want to start by making earrings today. I got this Crystal Passion teardrop bead in pink color, and I have, this is 24 gauge, about 6 inches wire, and so we're going to wire wrap this teardrop bead and then just hook it to fish hook wire. Okay, let's get started. So we're gonna put this wire through the bead. Go about this much in, and then we're gonna make it make the ends go all the way across, like so. And then once we're here, take your plier and just bend the short end up a little bit so that it faces. Do a better job of that. There we go. So it's going straight up, and then the longer end you're going to start wrapping around the bead. I want this to be a messy wrap, so the first wrap is always going to be a little tricky, messy. Here we go. Since we're making earrings, we need to make sure that the loops on both beads are about the same round. So this one I went about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna go one more, 6, and then I'm going to use my flat nose wire to just kind of bring them together, so that you don't see the bead underneath the wrapping as much as you can. And then bring your wire to the top, and then I'm just going to straighten out my other wire on the top here a little bit, make sure that it's still standing nice and straight on the top, because we're going to loop it around that wire as well. Few wraps up here, and I'm going to trim this and tuck it in. There we go. And then for the other end, we just need to make the simple loop wrapping. So like I said, I wanted this to be a little messy, so I'm not worried about making it nice and clean. I'm gonna trim it right here, just straighten this out. Straighten this up a little bit. Okay. And then my wire has a little loop that I can open and just slide that in. So that's what I'm going to do. And put it back up. And that's it. There's our earring. And then here is the other one that I made already. But here. There. Okay, so ready for the next one? Alright guys, the next thing we're going to make is this earring. Very simple wire wrapping here as well. So let's get started. All you're going to need is 5-inch long 24 gauge wire, and then your preferred choice of beads. I'm going to use the teardrop beads again. So I'm going to put that in first so that it hangs in the center. Then I'm going to use my square bead on both sides. Oops. nails, 2 of those at each end. Okay, so after you have all your beads in your wire, you want to bring the ends all the way, push it all the way down, but give a little room for your teardrop beads to hang, just like so. Once you have everything down and tight in place and your wires are crossed, then twist your work, to twist your beads so that the wire on the top is twisting. Just keep going. It makes like on the top, it makes nice little twisted wire design. Just keep going, and then just gonna bend this a little bit so that my teardrop has a little room to move around. Okay, and then take your roundhouse plier and make your loop. Oops, so sorry. I think I want to redo this loop again. Oops. There we go. And just give it a few wrap. And that's it. If you have nail polish on, guys, be careful while working with wire. It will definitely mess up your polish. And then I'm just going to tuck the ends in. Okay. And then we're going to add the ear hooks to it. Sure that it's hanging straight, and oops, didn't go in all the way. Oh, I need to close the loop here. There we go. Let's check to make sure it's not going to come off. Okay. Now, I'm not quite happy with how this feels a little tight, so okay, there we go. That's much better. And that's our quick little earring design. Now we will move on to our necklace. Okay, so for the necklace, we're gonna do the same thing, twisting the wire and attaching our little heart, red crystal passion heart, into this necklace. This is a chain that's already all put together, and it has a rope design, so I think it'll go well if we again, this is very simple. All you're going to do is put your wire through your heart, bring the ends together, and then twist it. So that the twisting matches the rope on your chain. And then, so we're going to go right on the chain. So I make a loop here. I need to make sure that our chain fits in the loop. We need to make a bigger loop here. Let's do this again. Okay, let's see. Well, let's see if it fits now. Yeah, that's much better. Okay, so now we're just gonna twist it. And I'm just gonna keep going until I can no longer twist, because like I said, I like the messy wrap look. And here we are. And our cut here. And tuck the edges in. There we go. And I want to make sure that the heart faces the front, because all you have to do is just give it a little twist, because it's easy to work with the 24 gauge wire. So here's our little pendant with our chain. Let's bring out our earrings. Here we are, quick and easy earrings and pendant set. All right guys, that's all I have for today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.